Hi, my loves y amores. Do you guys see these products? Well, we have a combo of new, drugstore, and high-end that's going to be easy to follow. We'll use this beautiful sand color as our transition, and we'll just blend everything in. And then I'm going to go into this gorgeous lime green, and I'm going to apply that into the outer corners of my eyes. And want to see more fashion videos? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're just going to blend everything in. Remember, we want the color to be very vibrant and alive, but we want it also to really blend in really nicely. So we'll just blend until we've perfected the color that we want. And we'll go back to that sand color and we'll put it on top of our eyelids, and we're already starting to see that dimension come out. Then we'll go back to our palette and use this glitter, and we're gonna put it on top of our eyelids, really packing it on. I really love these two palettes because they're both from NYX and they're at the drugstore. You really don't have to spend a lot to get a good eye look. And once we've packed on that glitter on our eyelids, we'll move on to mascara. This one's from P. Louise, and it actually came in my advent calendar from last year's Christmas haul, and I absolutely love it, especially for us curly hair girls. It really gets all those curlies. Then we'll move to e.l.f. You guys know that this one I've absolutely loved and used forever. When I first purchased it, it was only $1. It's gone up to about $3 now, but it's just such a beautiful black newer color. I'll put that on really gently on my eyes, take that line across, and then I'll bring that wing out depending how long or how I want it to look. Now with eyeliner, you really want to take your time because it's black, it can stain, it can go all over the place. So really take your time. Once you've perfected it, it comes out amazing. And of course, we'll use our fan to fan it out. And then I'm going to use this amazing lashes that I actually got from Amazon. I love the way they look because they're very flirty, they look really natural, and I'll just pop one in and I'll use my little nail stick to apply them on. And then once they've been put on, I'll put the other one on, and then I'll just make sure that they're on nicely, and then I'll grab my fan and I'll fan them out. And the trick to really make your eyes pop is to go back to the eyeliner and do another black line all the way across. This is going to ensure that your eyes look really fierce and they look very lifted. And we'll use this Maybelline concealer that I absolutely love. It really brightens up your eyes. And then instead of doing a big V when applying, we're just going to do it on the little areas we want to brighten. This is going to make sure that everything doesn't smear. And for foundation, of course, we're using my all-time favorite by Chanel. This one is long wearing. It leaves your skin so dewy, so vibrant, and so pretty. And instead of applying it with a sponge, I actually just use my fingers. It's a trick that I like to use because my fingers are warm, and so when I apply it to the skin, it just makes it look so effortlessly and so beautiful. Now, for applying the concealer, I will use a brush just to get that lifting effect, but for the foundation, I'll just use my fingers. It just leaves your skin so beautiful. Try it next time that you do your foundation and see what a difference it looks on your skin. Now, I really believe that we don't have to use a bunch of products or a bunch of complicated things. I feel that sometimes simplicity is the best method, and if it ends up working out for you, let me know in the comments below. Now, I'll just blend everything in, and of course, I'll take it down to my neck and all over my face. And this is buildable too. This foundation, if you want to put more product and make it more heavy, you can, but it's a really light, really beautiful foundation. And for baking, we're going to use pound cake. I love the way this looks under my eyes. And because I don't like to waste and I like to use all the products that I have, of course I have my little sponge in here, which if there's anything that you guys want from Flower Nose, don't forget to use my code, the CrystalPearl, for a discount. And I'll put that underneath my eyes. And while that's baking, we'll go into our eyebrows. I love this one from L'Oreal, and I'll just fill in my eyebrows in just a really natural way, following my natural brows. And once that's been filled in, I'll clean it up with a little brush. Make sure that's a little spoolie brush and just kind of clean it up. And then I'll go back into my powder and I'll clean everything up. And the longer that you actually leave the powder, the better. I noticed that if I wait till the very end, it actually leaves this really airbrush, beautiful finish that lasts all day. And then I'm gonna get this white liner and I'll put it underneath my eyes just to brighten up and open my eyes up. And then we're gonna go back to our NYX palette and I'm gonna do the glitter one and I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes. Now you can do more, you can do less, you could put it in the inner corners. It's all about having fun and just making it and customizing placing it the way you want. I like to do the line underneath because that way it just closes the eye up, but with that whitening underneath, it's going to open everything up. So it's just a nice little touch. I'm a blush girly, so the more blush, the better. We'll put that on the apples of our cheeks, making sure to take it all the way into our hairline and blending it also into our eyelids. This is gonna make everything look really beautiful and really flow nicely. Then we're gonna move on to lips, and I'm gonna use this liner that I absolutely love, and we're gonna line our lips. Did you guys know that St. Patrick used the shamrocks, which are the clovers, to explain the concept of the Holy Trinity, God, Son, and Holy Spirit to the Irish? Because each leaf represented a different aspect of God. Now, growing up, the Irish traditions were really big in our household, as my godmother was Irish, and we would celebrate every year with beef hash and potatoes and carrots and just have a lot of fun. So this look is really special to me. How are you guys spending it this year? Let me know in the comments below. Are you doing something at home? Are you going out? It's just a beautiful celebration that it's really nice to see that everybody can partake in. Now, I'm gonna use this setting spray that really smells really delicious, and I'm gonna spray that on, and then I'll end up fanning it away, making sure that everything dries. And loves, this is the final look. I hope that you guys had an amazing time with me, and I hope that you have fun wherever you go. This is a fun, beautiful, and easy look that I know you're going to love. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!